How to use ChatGPT for web design. Credit, iThemes.com. As a language model, ChatGPT can provide you with information and advice related to web design. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT for web design. 1. Ask questions. ChatGPT can answer your questions related to web design. You can ask about specific design techniques, tools, or best practices for creating a user-friendly website. From npgroup.net. 2. Get feedback. You can show ChatGPT your website design or prototype and get feedback on its design, usability, and functionality. ChatGPT can provide you with suggestions for improvement and identify areas that need attention. From haldesk.com. 3. Inspiration. ChatGPT can provide you with inspiration for your web design projects. You can ask for examples of websites that use a particular design technique or have a particular feature that you want to incorporate into your own design. 4. Learn about new trends. ChatGPT can help you stay up to date with the latest trends in web design. You can ask about the latest design trends or best practices for creating responsive designs. Credit, thedigital.com. 5. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues with your website design, you can ask ChatGPT for help. ChatGPT can help you troubleshoot common issues and suggest solutions. From webmavens.com. To use ChatGPT for web design, you can start by asking specific questions or providing information about your project. The more information you can provide, the better ChatGPT will be able to help you.